We all know Rolls Royce is one of the most expensive vehicles in the world. Most people might wonder what makes it so. According to Rolls Royce, every car has a story behind it, which makes it so important and unique. Today, we are gonna check what makes a Rolls Royce so expensive and unique with 10 things you don't expect in Rolls Royce 2021. Number 10. It takes around 400 hours with 60 people to build a Rolls-Royce, sometimes even more. Most parts of Rolls-Royce are built and fitted by hand, and it takes around 2 months to build one car. And most of the paint job is done by robots and rest of the hard to each places, and the finish is done by hand-skilled painter and also to paint the vinyls. The whole painting process takes around 7 days. Number 9. Rolls-Royce has the finest leather. Rolls-Royce focuses on the perfection of luxuriousness unlike any other manufacturer. That's why they use the finest leather from only the finest bulls, kept in high altitudes to avoid insect bites, stretching of skins, and uses measures to avoid abrasion with are not even seen. Number 8. Rolls-Royce makes one of the world's best jet engines. Rolls-Royce Holding Private Limited Company is a British multinational aerospace and defense company incorporated in 2011. Rolls-Royce is second largest manufacturer of aircraft engines. Rolls-Royce built even more like cranes, and they even built nuclear reactor for submarines. Number 7. The iconic hood ornament, the Lady of Ecstasy, is worth $40 million. You have seen the iconic hood ornament which hides when grabbed? The Lady of Ecstasy on Rolls-Royce car is a unique feature when represents Rolls-Royce. This ornament has a story behind as well. In 2002, when BMW brought Rolls-Royce, Volkswagen had the right to the Lady of Ecstasy, which BMW paid $40 million. So that they can include the Lady of Ecstasy to Rolls-Royce cars. You can get in gold or illuminated crystal as well. Number 6. 65% of all Rolls-Royce cars ever made are still running on the roads. Most people believe that the Rolls-Royce cars are unbreakable or don't break down. Well, it's not. Like any other vehicle, Rolls-Royce are like to have issues. But they provide better service and care for customers, and they keep up the goodwill. That's why they are still out there running on the streets. According to National Geographic Channel, approximately 65% of all Rolls-Royce cars are still on the road running. Number 5. Rolls-Royce have their own Chauffeur Academy. Most people who own a Rolls-Royce can definitely afford a driver, and most people do. Did you know that there's an exclusive driving program by Rolls-Royce with teachers, chauffeurs, every detail and safety on 3-day course? In 2013, Rolls-Royce introduced the White Glove program, which teaches the chauffeurs driving ethics and best handling practice to deliver the Rolls-Royce exclusive red carpet. And since then, the program has come so far. Number 4. Flying doctors for Rolls-Royce cars. Living in a country with no dealership for Rolls-Royce means no service as well. But if you really want to buy a Rolls-Royce anywhere in the world, there is no problem. Rolls-Royce provides a team of a special trained technician to fly around the world to cater your needs of service or repair to your Rolls-Royce. Number 3. Champagne chiller is a factory option. Rolls-Royce is equipped with a cooler, chiller or fridge, whatever you call it. But this is mainly focused on champagnes. Normal champagnes are chilled at 6 degrees Celsius and vintage ones are chilled at 11 degrees Celsius. So this chiller comes with 2 cooling modes, chilling from 6 degrees to 11 degrees Celsius for your champagne. And surely it comes with champagne flatters by Rolls-Royce. Number 2. Under the stars in a Rolls-Royce. Since 2007, when they first started the Rolls-Royce Starlight headliner in their cars, it has been a magical, stellar experience. Since then, it has been updated with more quality and more lights to maximize the experience. This stargazing experience is one of Rolls-Royce features which extend from the front to back of the whole roof with hand-placed 1340 fiber optic lights. It even allows to adjust the brightness. This is one of the best features that illuminate a star-filled night sky in a car, and this feature costs around $12,000. Number 1. Hong Kong has more Rolls-Royce than anywhere in the world. Hong Kong is the home for the largest number of Rolls-Royce in the world. Since the early times when it was a British colony, government officials and noble people used Rolls-Royce as a mode of transport with status, and the tradition it is still on. At the end of the year 2019, Hong Kong had 996 cars registered for individuals only, and the Hotel Peninsula only had a fleet of 30 Rolls-Royce. That's it for now guys, see you in another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.